Guys, I want to show you a trick here when you're doing area of squares, and sometimes all they give you is this little half a diagonal here. If this is the center of the square, this is considered half the diagonal. If we did the whole thing, it'd be 2x. But a lot of times they just give us this. Maybe there's a circle around the square, and the radius of the circle is x. But in any case, if this is the square we're looking at, and this is x, it's an easy way to find the area of the square. We can think about it like this. If we make this a right triangle here, and we call this a 45-degree angle. This is also a 45-degree angle. That means this side must be the hypotenuse divided by root 2. So we get x over root 2. If this is x over root 2, this is also x over root 2. So a side of the square is going to equal 2x over root 2. Go here, we're going to look at the same thing. So to find the side of the square, it's x over root 2 plus x over root 2. And then we end up with 2x over root 2. To find the area of the square, if we know one side of it is 2x over root 2, then to find the area of the square, we just multiply this side by this side. So 2x over root 2 times 2x over root 2 equals 4x squared over 2, and that just simplifies out to 2x squared. So it's an interesting thing. For any square, if you have this right here, no matter what this length is, say this is 4, then to find the area of the square, it's 2 times 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16 times 2 equals 32. So the rule follows that a shortcut to finding the area of a square is to take half of a diagonal, square it, and multiply the result by 2. So it'll work for any square you want, any side here you want, whether you have a letter for it or a number for it. But this will save you some time instead of doing all the 45, 45, 90 calculations. I hope that helps.